PEP stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is PepsiCo stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this stock trading space that has done 43,000 videos over 5 years and documented them all, and also showing you what's actually working and making money. So especially PepsiCo, I mean, my bias and my genuine 2 cents on this is that the likelihood that it was about to go down was high, and it sort of did that. It sort of kept melting. You know what I mean? So now we have this, and if it doesn't sort of, oh my bad, let's pop up here. This is interesting. I'm open-minded for longs, like lower time frame longs, sure thing, but I'm not gonna immediately buy, you know what I mean? Like ideally pulls down and gives me a shift. Other than that, you know, there's really nothing else that I'll follow. Let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.